This is cold foam with cold brew, but a lot of cold foam. What is cold brew and cold foam? Here's how you make it. Here's what it is. Let's go. How do you make cold foam? Well, it's super simple. You need one of these, a cold foam frother. You can find them on Amazon. I think as cheap as around $35. And they're really not that much more expensive than that. Very simple. So what you do, you need 2 ounces of milk or 2 to 4 ounces of milk. These things actually have a metal whisk inside that spins super fast. Some of these will actually make warm froth milk or room temperature froth milk, and some will make cold foam milk where they don't heat up the milk as they froth it. That spins so fast in there, and it has a max and min line. The max line on this one is 4 ounces, the min line is 2 ounces. Now 4 ounces of milk will cold foam to like 8 ounces in kind of volume. So doubles in size, more than doubles in size when you put the milk in here. So again, super simple, the most cost-effective device you can get in a coffee shop. Let's do it. So you take your milk, again, there's a max and min line. The min line in ours is 2 ounces. Just fill this up, that's all you gotta do. Make sure you put on the cap, right, in case this overflows or spreads out or shoots out. And that's it, and then put it on the frother, and then hit this button. Let's do it.
So very simple, you just push the button that starts it. Again, very simple piece of equipment, spins super fast. The milk stays cold, so when this milk is done, it will remain cool.
All right, so it takes about 30 seconds to foam the milk here. It's now done, as you can see. It's much more dense. And then you just take your cold brew, fill it up with some ice, and then pour it on, and you can see it's a really, really, really heavy pour. There you go. Cold brew, that's a lot of cold foam, but some people love it. We put it on iced lattes, we put it on top of cold brew, we even put it on top of iced matchas, super popular. Cold brew with cold foam, there you go, enjoy.